How do we shape tomorrow's mobility? How can we promote sustainable transport? How can we make things less complicated? These are questions we've always asked ourselves at Deutsche Bahn. These are questions we'll keep working to answer. As a technology leader in rail infrastructure design and construction, we drive technological development and digitalization in engineering. In consulting, we give our clients holistic and future-proof advice on mobility and transport matters that is rooted in our specialized knowledge of the rail system and IT expertise. In operations, our activities outside Europe allow us to use our experience in the operation and maintenance of complex rail systems to ensure sustainable freight and passenger transport around the world. As a driver of change, we will continue to ask ourselves the most important questions of our time. How can we overcome the challenges of globalization, urbanization, global population growth, and most of all, climate protection? How will we continue to build on what we have accomplished so far? And how will our clients benefit? We'll do it together. The DB E.C.O Group integrates engineering, consulting, and operations. Our mission is to merge our expertise in the integrated rail system with digital technology along the entire length of the value chain. Together we draw on the expertise of over 5,600 employees to create strong rail in Germany and the world. Together we offer forward-looking engineering, consulting and operations services for our clients. Together we design innovative and sustainable solutions for the future of mobility and transport around the globe.